Hello everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So I wanted to come in and share with you guys some beauty stuff that I recently purchased and received in the mail. So first up is Juvia's Place. I love their eyeshadows. They show up on my skin without any primer or anything. So I finally got this palette. It's been, every time I tried to get it, it was sold out. So I finally got the Warrior palette. And they just released another one as well. But look at that. Look at that. Oh, yes, yes, yes. So I got that. And this is the box that it came in. Beautiful black yumminess. Okay, the next one that I got was, these are the blush kits. These have been out. I have the Serum 1 and 2, volume 1 and 2. This is volume 1. And if I don't forget, I'll leave the links to everything in the description bar below. That's volume 1. Like I said, these are meant for blushes, but y'all know y'all can use this for anything. There's that box that it came in. I want to show these so I can go ahead on and put these up. And this is the Serum Blush Volume Number 2. And actually, I could have did without this one. I don't, well, that one is calling my name, but we'll see. Because I'm so yummy, melanated, it depends on how to show up. So these are those two together. Or maybe I should do it that way. So this is 1 and this is 2. And you already seen the Warrior palette right here. Gorgeous. All right, so next up I got my subscription boxes in. They've been sitting here for a minute. I just ain't feel like dealing with it. But this one came Saturday. Walmart Beauty Box. I have forgot all about this box because we don't get it every month. It's every quarter. But I honestly think that I'm going to cancel this one. Even though it's only $5. It's just, you know. Well, let me show you what came in it. We have this 3D whitening kit. This mask. I think I got this mask in the last one. This mask. This mask. This is a hair mask. A 1-minute hair mask. Is this one for the... Yeah, this is for skin. Okay. And then this is a sample of their shampoo and conditioner, which will actually, my hair is really thick, so, and it's long, but I always keep weave in it, but that will actually cover my hair, so that's a big sample. And then we got wipes in here, Kleenex wipes, which is always come handy. That was $5, and we just have some coupons for the teeth, $2 off for that, and some information on the other products. That was Walmart's beauty box. I love the box that it came in. So cute. Rick's NYC, their Cult Crushes box. This is it. It's $14 a month now. And you get 5 things in here. So the first thing, we got some travel wipes. And it's 10 in here. It removes makeup removing wipes. This is some lash serum to get thicker looking lashes. And it doesn't say on here the value of these. So I will have to try to look that up, which I didn't think about. And then we have this Urban Decay. No, this is not Urban Decay. LA Splash. Excuse me. Liquid lipstick. And the color Death Dealer. I don't know why I thought this was Urban Decay. Isn't it? That's so cute, but the color, girl, I don't know about that. But that is so cute. LA Splash. I'm thinking, I don't know. I'm not even going to speculate because I don't know anything about LA Splash. I'm going to have to look that up and see if I'm going to keep this box as well. And this is another LA Splash Cosmetics. This is a Vanishing Potion. Is a waterproof makeup remover. And I like how they package their stuff. Look at that. That is so cute. And just in this little box. This is so cute. And then the last thing we have is a blush. Blushing Beauties. Glamazon Beauty. This is a, I'm hoping this is a blush. Yes, raspberry blush. Now I know that'll work on my skin because, you know, but that'll be pretty as an eyeshadow. Oh, it got a little mirror too. It's cute. So that's Ricky's NYC. Like I said, I would have to look at the value of these to see how much this is worth. Because if it's not worth $14, your girl will be canceling. Okay? Now, last is my Boxy Charm. Like I said, this been sitting here even before I went to Expo. And they do give you prices on their stuff. Okay, so we have this Dr. Brandt ID Puffing Gel. This is $42. Dr. Brandt stuff is very expensive. Well, people that really love makeup like me, y'all already know. They stuff is expensive. This is a depuffing gel. Next up, we have, let me pull the rest of it out. So I haven't looked at this. The next thing is eyeshadow palette. And it's $30. And Boxy Charm is only $21 a month. So that you get that with this. I mean, what a value. And they also supposed to be coming out with like a deluxe box. So I'm thinking it's going to probably be around $50 because this is $21. But the sneak peeks for that has already been out. And this is the palette right there. Course, I can work with this. I was hoping that I would get that Tarte setting spray because you could either got this or the setting spray, but I got the palette and I really wanted that spray. So we got that. Next up is the Wonder Beauty. This is an actual mascara. It looks like a lip stick, but it's a mascara. Oh, that one is going to be the bomb on my lashes. Oh, yes. I can already tell the one is bomb. I don't know about the product. This is $24. So this, again, price of all three for the box. And then next we have this blusher. And they say blusher, so I'm assuming they from overseas because we say blush. This is $11.99. By Note Cosmetics. Let's see. Ooh, honey. That's going to have to be an eyeshadow. That is too light for your girl. But that is gorgeous. And it has a mirror in there. I don't want to scare you with I just took my weave out, so. I didn't have the hair in a week. I got it did just for Expo, and I got a wig sewn on, and I couldn't deal with that wig. I had to take that mess out of my head. The last one is an eyebrow cream. And let's see. This eyebrow cream is $26. Let's see. Oh, honey, no ma'am. That's not gonna work for me. But I don't know. Let me be quiet, because I hadn't tried this stuff. It's literally been just sitting in the box. That may work, because I don't like my eyebrows are already thick, so I don't like all the extra anyway. So this is $26, $11.99, $24, $29.99, which I'm gonna take this out because I'm gonna throw this in the trash, and $42. Now you can't beat that for $21. All right, and then okay, yeah, that's it. So those are all my beauty stuff that I want to share today. It's just like crafting. I don't share everything that I get, of course, but I did want to show that because I think these subscription boxes are bomb. Boxy Charm, as you can tell, is my favorite, but I'm gonna have to add up the Rick's NYC and see the value on it. If I don't forget, I'll try to put it in the description bar below, like that, so you can see. And of course, Walmart is only $5, and these are $20 a pallet, I think. So yes, that is it, you guys. I'll be back with the crafty video. Leave me a comment. You never know. Bye, guys.